Welcome! Today we're going to walk through how to change your display name on Discord using your Android device. Whether you want to express yourself differently or just feel like a change, updating your display name is a simple process. Let's get started. First, launch the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't installed it yet, be sure to download it from the Google Play Store. Once you have the app open, look for your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is where you'll begin. Tap on your profile picture to access your profile settings. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and tap that gear icon to open up the settings menu. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Discord experience. Next, scroll down and tap on Account. This section contains all your account-related settings, including your current display name. Once you're in the Account section, look for the option that says Display Name. Tap on Display Name, and you'll be able to enter a new name. Make your changes, whether it's a fun nickname or your real name, whatever fits your personality. Once you're satisfied with your new display name, make sure to tap Save at the top right corner of the screen. And that's it. You've successfully changed your display name on Discord. It's a great way to personalize your account and let your friends know who you are. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Discord.